Okay, hello everyone. Martineau here, and I'm going to show you. This is the Michael Skinner lapping version of card to wallet. So what you do is you have your wallet, and what I usually do is I'll open it like this, because what I'm going to do is this is going to be opened up. You'll see why. This is going to be in my lap. Okay, it'll be out of view. So this is a lapping thing. You're doing an ambitious card routine, or whatever you'd like. It goes perfect with the ambitious card routine. And then when you get to the point where you palm out the card, and you can either lap it. I'm going to show you a way to lap it here in a second. So what you would do is you would pretend to load it in, and you would actually load it to the bottom using the switch, right? So this is a marvelous convincing control, basically. And then you leave it out jog though, and then what you do, see it's actually on the bottom. Then what you would do is you would tell them to hold out their hand they're going to tap it in, and then as you come over here to do that, you're going to cop this back to the edge of the table. Then you're just going to drop that from the cop into your lap. So that will be done as you tell them to hold out their hand. That's the misdirection. See, split second right there. It's already lapped into my lap. See, so excuse me. What you want to do is hold your knees together so it's not going to fall. Your knees are together. Your lap is in between your knees. I mean your wallet in between your knees, okay? And I have it opened up like this because what I'm going to do is as soon as I get to the point where I lap it, right, it's in the cop position from an exposed view, see? That's exposed, it'll drop into the lap. So the audience won't see that because it's undercover as you say hold out your hand, and so you're leaning forward. So you lapped it right there as you come forward. Now they're going to push it in. When they push it in, you say, oh, not all the way, so it looks like you messed up. Then you can let them shuffle the deck, anything they like, and then you'd spread the deck face up for them to find their card. It would be gone, but as they're looking for their card, what you'd be doing is in your lap, you'd be loading this in. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm loading this in to this is the way I like to do it. I like to use it with the plastic part. So as soon as I get it in there, see where it's in the plastic, I'll do this, and I'll do all that in my lap. So because I have a reason to, because they were shuffling the deck as I was doing that, right? So now it's in the lap, it's loaded into the wallet in the lap, and I've got it closed up, and then I've got it between my knees here, okay? It's actually on my right leg, because what I'm going to do, you want it on your right leg sitting like this, okay? So you can do all that as they're shuffling the deck. So then this would be your wallet, it's on your knee in your lap, it's completely out of view. But now I'm going to expose it. I'm going to take the table away and I'm going to expose it so you can see what happens from an exposed view. Okay? Teaching it. This would be on your lap, the table would be here, right? When you're ready to produce it, you make them a bet or something like that. That's the reason where your wallet's going to make sense. You say, I'm going to bet you $1 that you can find your card. Or I'm going to bet you $1 that you can't find your card. And then when you spread the deck out, they turn it over and they don't. So you would owe them $1. Or just however you want to present it. You don't have to do it that way. You can just say, this is a bet. You say, if I mess up, I'll give you everything in my wallet. So the way you patter is you don't owe them money, you owe them what's in your wallet. So, you see what I mean? So what you do when you're ready to produce it is you'll start to stand up, and what this will, your right hand will reach your wallet, and this is a Michael Skinner idea, and it'll basically be these three fingers, and it will be going behind you. So it's basically in these three fingers, right? So when you pick it up, it's kind of like this, but it's going to be completely out of view. I'm going to stand up to show you. So you start to stand up, this is here, it's going to slide up, and then so it's behind your leg, and then you'll pretend to pull it out of your back pocket as you come out with it. But it was never behind your pocket, it was just behind your leg. You were just sliding it up. Okay, so you did that as you stood up. Now here's the cool part, is you say, so I owe you I owe you everything in my wallet, and you say, there's no money in my wallet, the joke's on you, or whatever you want to say, and you say, but actually, look, I do have something else in my wallet, and that's your signed card. So that's just a cool way to do an ungaffed version of a card to wallet, and that's Michael Skinner's, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.